In this question, we're trying to figure out how to get from what they gave us to what they're asking us for. And the one thing to notice is that a factor has been factored out. So that's in the place where you would have taken the greatest common factor and taken it out. So we're trying to figure out, is there a greatest common factor of x? And we do indeed see the factor of x throughout. Now, if you're very sharp with factoring, you can just take out an x and say that leaves you with 2x plus a and be done with it, because that, if that lines up with x times 2x plus 7, then we can clearly see that the a is in the same spot as the 7, and we're kind of done. But if you're not so good with greatest common factoring, GCF factoring yet, then you can write it a different way. You can say, okay, if we have this and we're going to factor out an x, then what we can do in the first step to show it in a way that works better is like this. What we're doing right now is we're saying, okay, well, we're multiplying by x on the outside and we're dividing by x on the inside. We have two opposite operations. So in other words, we're not breaking the rules of math, but now we can start simplifying each of these pieces. So 2x squared divided by x, in that situation, you would have x to the 2 and x to the 1. Now be reminded that a to the b over a to the c is a to the b minus c. So this would be x to the 2 over x to the 1. So that would be x to the 1. And here, it's a little easier. You can just see how the x's would cancel. So that's another way to show GCF factoring in a way that might make sense to people who haven't done it before. In any case, this is lining up with what they gave us in the beginning. And so you can see that the thing that they're calling A, we're seeing it lines up with 7. So the answer is D, 7.